Long time no see. I know that I mentioned in my last video that I'll be doing a Christmas makeup series, but unfortunately I didn't have the chance to film any video. I'm so sorry. I hope you understand. And then I decided that I will be filming after the new year, but then again I got sick, so I didn't have the chance again to film any video. But today I'm gonna be doing this makeup here. This is the one that I've worn on the Sinulog Festival, not the eve of the Sinulog Festival, and I like this makeup so much. It's so dark and has a little of a burgundy at the top. It's very appropriate for the festival at the moment, so I am excited to share it with you. And I hope you like this look, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And if you want to know how I did this makeup, I'll see you later. I'm gonna start by applying this mid-tone brown shade. This is gonna be our transition color. I'm applying it all over the crease and slightly blending it up towards the brow bone since I have a hooded eye shape. This technique helps me lessen the hoodiness of my eyes. Then I will be taking this black jumbo pencil by NYX and applying it over the lids and slightly blending the edges to make it look a little softer. You don't have to be neat at this moment since we will be applying an eyeshadow on top of it. This serves as a sticky base for our next eyeshadow, and also this makes the eyeshadow look more vivid and opaque. Then I will be taking this dark crease eyeshadow from the Wet n Wild palette and applying it on top of that black jumbo pencil that we applied a while ago. Using this fluffy crease brush, and I'm gonna be applying the Purple-Burgundy shade onto my crease. I'm not gonna be taking it higher up to the brow bone, just mainly concentrating on the crease area and then making sure to blend it back and forth. It really pays off if you really take your time in blending your eyeshadow. It gives you a more beautiful and better result. See, I'm really taking my time in blending to a point where you cannot tell the dark and the purple-burgundy starts or ends. Then I'm gonna be reapplying the dark eyeshadow again because I feel like that I've lost the darkness when I was blending. Then taking this cream eyeshadow as a highlight, this also helps in blending and cleaning the edges to make the look more seamless. Then taking that dark eyeshadow from the Wet n Wild palette and applying it into my lower lash line. Then applying your favorite eyeliner onto your waterline. Then taking that purpley burgundy eyeshadow and applying it next to the dark eyeshadow, and I'm gonna be taking it a little lower because I want it to look more smokier. This part is optional because the look is already very dark. It's just a matter of preference, but I like the look of an eyeliner. Then apply your favorite mascara and curl them lashes. Lashes tends to get lost if you're having a darker look, so I'm gonna be applying some falsies here. Smoky eye looks more complete
in way better with that big, voluminous, sexy lashes. From here, I'm just gonna be fast forwarding this video. I'm just gonna be doing my foundation and concealer, my contour and blush, and also the eyebrows. I believe that you've already seen me this routine from my past videos. And to finish the look, I'm gonna be applying this nude pink lip liner from NYX. And on top of it, I'm gonna be applying this butter lipstick from NYX also. It's so creamy and buttery. This is my favorite lipstick at the moment, and I love the smell too. So this is the final look, and I hope you'd like it. It was pretty darn easy, right? You only need very few products to achieve this smokiness. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.